Hello. Hello, can you hear me now? Hello.
Yes.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. So now I feel clear. Yeah. So hope you are well, and I am well now. So that's why for the recent time I did not take the class for my fever. So now I am well, and now we will continue our all of the class online training program or other types of uh, tasks. We try to starting from today. Okay, so I already see your proposal. You want to make the land use land cover classification map. You want to classify the grassland, then shrubland, as well as also cropland. Okay, without training point, without ground truth training point. But it's very difficult when you want to make this type of analysis without training point, without ground training point. It's we did not get the better accuracy, as well as it also chance to mix to each other. Suppose you want to make the classified cropland and shrubland, then it will be mixing to each other pixel value. It will be mixing. When you want to perform using the Landsat or Sentinel image, then we can face this problem. But when you want to use the MODIS satellite imagery, as well as also other types of dataset which are already available for the cropland, shrubland, or other types of classes, then this problem is not occurred. Okay, so in this time I also try to show you the some dataset which already classified the different types of cropland, then shrubland. Okay, so then you can easily understand about that. Okay, just a minute, I simply share my screen. Okay, so now can you see my screen?
Yes.
Now is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I open a new code editor. Okay, so here you can see I can simply go to the data set. First of all, I will try to show the data set about this. Suppose you want to work with, suppose MODIS land use land cover data set. You want to easily use and classify the cropland, shrubland. Okay, you can see I simply open this data set from here. Okay, so this is the one kind of data set for the MODIS land cover data set. Basically, this data set we can get from the annual data set globally. We can get the yearly global land use land cover data set from 2001 to 2020. From this time period, we can get the data set. And this data set provide you all of the classes. You can see total 17 classes we can get from here. So here you can see the evergreen needleaf forest. You can also get evergreen broadleaf forest. You can also get the deciduous needleaf forest, deciduous broadleaf forest, mixed forest, closed shrubland, open shrubland, woody savanna, savanna, grassland, permanent wetland, then cropland, urban and build-up land, then cropland, natural vegetation mosaics, permanent snow and ice, barren, and water bodies. Total 17 classes we can easily get the dataset from year of 2021 to 2022 from this dataset, and this result is very well. Okay, because this dataset you can get the description about this dataset. So basically this dataset provide the MODIS global land cover types yearly interval we can get derived from the 6 different classes scheme, and it's derived using the supervised classification of MODIS, TRA, and aqua reflectance data. So basically, this data set created by using supervised classification of MODIS, TRA, and aqua reflectance data. The supervised classification they are using and then make this data set for the globally. Okay, basically it's the product of MODIS, TRA, and aqua reflectance data. Okay, so we can easily use this data set and classify all of those classes which are shrubland, cropland, grassland. So this type of we can easily do. Yeah, so this is another problem about that. You want to, your observation time period is that 1990. So this is another problem. When you want to use the MODIS data set, then it only covered the year of 2001 from 2020. Okay, so this is another problem when you want to work with for that. Okay, so but is there any problem? Another solution is that okay, so if you want, you can also go to the field and take the training point, then it also better. Or if you want, you can also, okay, so I simply open your study area, then try to show you this part just. So your study area is that Lake of Chad. I simply import this boundary shape file and give a variable name, suppose, and display the result. Okay, so this is our study area. Yeah, so in this study area we want to classify the cropland, also the grassland, as well as a shrub and forest. We also need to classify. Okay, okay, so in this time we don't have any types of ground truth data for this region, so for this is a problem. But when you want to just open the satellite data and try to find out this any types of shrubland or cropland, then it also better, we can easily find out something about this place. Or if you want, you can also use this data set as a reference data set. Suppose you want to use this data set as a reference and also take the ground truth data based on this reference data set. Okay, so we are so okay, so first of all we try to show the map about this data set and then try to show you this part. So just I simply copy the same code from here and paste in my code editor and try to show you this class process. Okay, so I want to just simply use here the in and click with my study AOI. Okay, then click to the run. Okay, so now I can get the data from the MODIS. Okay, we are using this data set, and from this data set we want to just take the training point for the as a ground truth data for the grassland, shrubland, and cropland, as well as also forest. Okay, so basically these four classes is very difficult to take the training point. Okay, so in this time okay, so first of all I want to take the training point for the shrubland. For the shrubland I want to find out the shrubland class. You can see, so shrubland class is that, okay, native forest, this is mixed forest, open shrubland, closed shrubland, and open shrubland. So two types of shrubland is available in here, or grassland. You can see. Okay, suppose I want to take the training point for the grassland. So grassland value is the 10. Okay, so 10. Okay, so in this time I want to show the grassland. So for that I take a variable, suppose grassland, and take, simply copy this variable name and paste here and use here the equal to 10 and display the result about the grassland only. So map.add layer, so call this grassland and paste here and display the results such as mean it will be 0 and max 1, and use this plated and make a list of plate such as gray and green. Okay, so now we can get only for those grassland. Okay, so basically in this time we separate the grassland and we are taking the training point where we can find out the grassland. Okay, so okay, so you can see for the mode is in the green color, all of those green color it's showing as a grassland. Okay, so all of those things showing as a grassland in this time in here. So in this time, if I take this training point from here, suppose I take the training point, click on here, and just suppose this is the grassland, grass feature collection, suppose it will be class, and put the value for the grass for 0. Okay, suppose I simply take this training point, so suppose this is the grass, and use it as a ground truth data. But when you want to do that, I think we did not get the better accuracy. You can check it. But in this time, from the Modi's dataset, we find out the result. This is the grassland. Okay, and this type of grassland, we are from that we can take the some training point from this grassland. And when you want to apply this training point Landscape image, I think it also some accuracy we have some problem. Okay, because in this time we are use this Modi's data as a reference data. Okay, based on the Modi's data we take the training point. Okay, so grassland. So another thing is that shrubland. So we can simply take the shrubland, open and closed. So 6 and 7. So we find out the 6 and then take, so put here this suppose 6 click to the run. Okay, so very little open shrubland we can find out, very little. Okay, so any question you have? Okay, CCI image, yeah. Okay, CCI image is okay, you can also use it. CCI image, but CCI image is not available in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, CCI image you have to download it from the other sources. CCI image is not available in the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so CCI image, you can check the CCI image. But in Google Earth Engine platform, I think this image is not available.
Okay.
Okay, so what's the source do you want to use for downloading the CCI image? You are using the climate change initiative or ECA website, climate.eci. This website you want to use?
I have downloaded it already.
Okay, so if possible you can simply share your screen, then I also try to check about this image you can simply import this image in the ArcMap software. I also guide you. Okay, so you can simply open this image. I check it, and if possible we are uploading this image in Google Earth Engine platform and work with, then it also better. So you can, first of all, we need to check the image. Okay, so I simply stop sharing my, you can also just opening your screen and try to show me.
Okay.
Okay, just opening this. I check.
Okay. Can you see it?
Yeah, now can see screen. Yeah.
This is the image.
Open this image. I also take it.
In ArcMap.
Yeah, open the ArcMap in your image. Just open this ArcMap. And this image is the TIFF format. Yeah, is it TIFF format? Okay.
Yes.
How much band combine this image?
I don't know. I don't know. I think it's about 23.
Okay.
This place I've done to this point. Yeah, this is 92.
Yeah, I did not see your screen.
Can you see it?
No, it's only showing the meet.google.com. This says, yeah. No, now it's showing totally blank. So I think you need to select your entire screen. Okay, click to the presentation, then select click the your entire screen, and then select your screen and then share again. It's also okay.
Okay. Presentation. Your entire screen. Okay. Yeah. Can you see it?
Yeah. So now it's okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Let me open a new one.
Yeah.
Add. Brand use. 1992. 2002. Okay.
Yeah. And okay, so in this time it showing the whole world. Yeah. You can also clip with your shapefile. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, just clipping with your shapefile. Okay, the determinism.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is it.
Yeah. And
Yeah. I need to do that of 2002. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so basically this image, what information it contain? It's a band value, or so you can simply click on here and go to the attribute table, then you can check about this information.
Okay. It's not open. This is properties.
Go to the,
Can you see it?
yeah. Go to the symbology. And go to the classified, we can check. Yeah.
Then come out. What else?
Okay, so it's showing the CCI dataset, and okay.
Maybe let me open this for you to see.
Yeah. Okay, so
This
it's
is the image.
okay. So it's this dataset classification grid map. Okay. Yeah. So dataset map. Okay, so it's already classified. Yeah. So this dataset is already
Yes.
classified. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is no problem. We can easily do that. You can simply go to this, and it also the net CDF dataset, I think. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, it's a net CDF data. Okay. Okay, so this dataset is already classified. So in this term, we can just simply make the classes. Okay. So for making the classes, we are using the ArcMap software, and using the ArcMap software. Okay, so you can simply go to the ArcMap, because this dataset is already classified. This all of the images is already classified in here.
I've done it here. This is 2.2.
Yeah. And you are already, I think you are also, okay, you already do that about this calculation,
Yeah.
about this result.
This is 1992.
Yeah.
Now, if I do intersect,
Yeah. So intersect. Intersect the two layer between this 2009 and
it's 2002.
then okay.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay, I think now. Yeah. Okay, click on here and open the attribute table. Now create the two column. One column is the change and area change. So create two field. Yeah. Yeah. So now click on the change. And yeah, go to this, yeah, calculate geometry. Yeah.
Calculate geometry.
It's not a calculate geometry, I think. Basically in this column, showing the result, suppose water to water, water to build up area, water to subland. So this type of information showing in this column. So click on the change and go to this field calculator. Click on here, field calculator. Yeah, field calculator. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So now field change equal to, so if first of all you want to put here this before means that past year column. Okay, you can check the before past year column what you want to put in here, name.
That is, I'm coming.
Before is, yeah, I think 1991, 1992, yeah. Then okay, then put here this make a space, give a space in here, and then put here the quotation. Okay, double quotation on your keyboard, double quotation, yeah, and then put here the negative sign, then close this quotation and put here this then other year, so after year, yeah, then okay. So what is the result showing? Agriculture, not, I think it's some problem in here. So it's showing the agriculture to agriculture, agriculture to water, agriculture to build up area, agriculture to barren land. So this type of result it's coming in here. So you want to check the column name carefully about the before and past year, and then try to do that again. Okay, we will also mistake in here. Okay, so go to the field calculator again. We have to put here the plus sign. Okay, then I hope it will work now. Yeah. So go to the field calculator. Yeah. Okay, so in this time you can simply put here the plus sign. Yeah. In here plus, put the plus and also make the plus in here. Yeah. And then now try again.
No way.
It's showing that there was a problem. Okay, simply remove this attribute table and open again and try to do that.
Okay.
Yeah, and try to again a new field.
This is fine. Okay.
Yeah.
No way.
Okay, so can you show me the column name 1 and name 2 from this attribute table?
Yes.
You are using the same name. I think this is the problem occurred for this. You can see you put here the name. We have to use the different name. Okay, suppose name year of 2022 or name. Yeah, so this type in this time this column is showing as the same name, so that's why it's not working. I try to use a different name, then I think it also better.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so now try to do that again. I think you can remove this attribute table and open this attribute table again. Then we can take the okay. So simply remove, yeah, and now open, and then
Yeah.
So then try to do that, yeah.
It's the same.
So is it not updated in here? Yeah, it's showing the past name 1. Yes. So it will be work. There is no problem. I think we have to use this update information in here. Then it will be work.
How can I calculate the accuracy here?
Yeah. So after that, we can simply do that. Yes, we can do this operation first. About this update name, is you want to put in here. Then we can get the change water to build-up area. This type of information you can got, and from that we can easily calculate the area, how much area will be changed from water to vegetation, shrubland. So this type of analysis we can easily do in here.
Okay. There is one I've done. That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now do that.
Now, look at the problem I have here.
Yeah. So it's showing that this result you can see.
Yes, but there is a problem.
Water to water. Yeah.
You see, I have cropland to cropland,
Yeah.
cropland to cropland, cropland to cropland. Why? You see this place?
Yeah.
You see this place? See this place? They're all the same.
Okay, so simply remove this, the double which will be 3 times more than 2 times. Simply remove this field name or column name.
Okay.
Simply remove from here.
But they have different measurement. Why? You see this one, this one.
Okay, so it also okay. If you want, you can also merge the all of this cropland change. This is the same. You can simply merge all of this layer row at the same time.
Okay. Now.
Yeah. So click on this field.
I think here I try to merge it. I've merged it here. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
My question now is, how do I extract maybe the water body, the cropland, etc. separately? How do I calculate the accuracy?
Okay. So for the when you want to separately, so first of all, simply remove that attribute table. Remove the attribute table from here. Yeah. And go to this image. Okay, image symbology. Classified symbology. You can simply classified image, which you want to do. Classified image symbology. I think it will be in your layer. You can simply go to this classified image layer.
Okay.
Yeah. Go to the symbology. Yeah. Go to this categories. Yeah. In this time, you can simply select your field. Your field will be change. Change. Simply click on here and click the change or change name. Yeah. Then add all field. Yeah. It's showing the area. I need this name about this, suppose water to water, water to forest. Which column contain this? Just select this column name. Yeah, so it will be done. Yeah, then apply and okay. Okay, so in this time we can get this result. All of those classes changes. Okay, when you want to show only for this single class, suppose you want to monitor only for the cropland change, you want to only for the monitor the cropland change. Okay, so for that again go to this symbology. In this time it's showing the all of the classes, and then in this time which class you want to show. Cropland, then simply
Yes.
yeah, okay, then simply select this simply remove all of those other layers such as barren land, then shrubland. Click on here, click, yeah, and then remove. Yeah, also click and which layer you want to show. Without this layer you can remove all of those things and then okay, then we can get this single class layer. Only for the single class layer we can got in here. Yeah, it's not removing.
Yeah.
Remove all of those layer from the symbology. Remove all of those layer which you don't need. Okay? From the symbology remove. then okay. Okay, so now it display only for this. Okay, so also you can see all other values. You can see all other values. Click on here, all other values. Yeah, just you can simply blank it. So for this color, in this time showing this, just simply blank this color. Simply use the white color, other things, all other values showing as a white color. This type of result.
Oh,
Click on this color. Yeah, and then you can see the hollow color. Yeah, hollow. Yeah. Okay. So now it's only showing the cropland to cropland to grassland, cropland to urban area. Okay. So this type of result is showing only for the single class change result. We can find out only for the single class change result, only for the cropland. So when you want to do for the only for the vegetation or shrubland, that do for the same process. Just remove all of the other layers and keep which layer you want to need. And now you can easily change the color from the cropland to cropland, which color you want to display, cropland to grassland, which color you want to display. You can choose your color on your opinion, then you can easily do that.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Okay, so you can also do that. I hope you can easily do that in time. And finally, import this map and make the map layout other things in the from the map layout. We can easily do that from here. Yeah.
I think.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we can check all of the things again and face any problem for, you can just knock me and also try to find out the solution and also talk about the other details. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you can also do that and face any problem for any time, just let me know. I also try to join the Google Meet or other things and also try to help you for this work. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, have a good day.
You too.